Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Nanotech. Today we are going to discuss how to develop a plastic stool or plastic chair. So let's start with this. So this is our initial interface of CREO parametric 9.0. So first we will go to new, then we will select part solid and I will uncheck the use default template, and from here I will select MMNS part solid ABS. So I will click OK. So this is my initial interface where we need to start working. So we will start with the extrude command first. So I will select the plane. I will select the top plane, and this is normal to the axis. So now I will select the center rectangle first. Okay, center rectangle. So here it is. Okay. So now I will change the dimensions to 250 millimeter. This one and this one 250 millimeter. Okay, so now I will click OK. Okay, so now you can see now I need to change the height. So this is the flip command where you can change the direction downwards or upwards. So okay, so now I will change this height, this depth, which is actually the height of the table, height of the stool, to 450 here, and I will click OK. So this is our initial assembly of the plastic stool. Okay, so now we need to draft. We need to extend these sides slightly with an angle of 5 degree. So for that reason we need to go to the draft command, and then we will choose the select items. This is our item which we need to draft, and this is our draft hinge, and this one is the direction, pull direction. So I will click on the top plane and I will click here the angle. I need 5 degree, enter, and then I will click OK. So now you can see this surface is drafted with an angle of 5 degree. Now we need to draft all 4 sides. So I'm gonna pause this video for a while so I can come back when all are drafted. Okay, so we are back. Now all four sides are drafted by an angle of 5 degree. You can see I'm rotating the part. Okay, so now let's proceed further. Now we need to corner chamfer all the edges. These edges we need to do corner chamfer. So we will go to the chamfer command and we will select corner chamfer. This one. So the first dimension would be 50. I will click tab. The next one is 30, tab, and 30. So I will press enter and then I will click OK. So the same procedure now I need to repeat for all the 4 sides. Corner chamfer, this edge, and then 50, tab, 30, tab, 30, enter, and then OK. Again for this side, this one, here 50, 30, 30, enter, and OK. Now the remaining last side, corner chamfer, yeah, this corner 50, 30, 30, enter, and OK. Okay, so now you can see all 4 sides are corner chamfer. Now we need to do edge chamfer for all these 4 corners. So we will again go to the edge chamfer For this, we can select all these four sides together by pressing the control key, which I am pressing right now, like this, and then like this, and the last one. Okay, so all four sides are selected now, and I will add 10 millimeters, press enter, and then I will click OK. So now all sides are chamfered. This is edge chamfered command, which I just did. Okay, so now I need to use the round command, and I will round each and every corner here, on the top, in the bottom, and on the corner. So I will show you one, and then I will again pause the video for a while so that I can choose all the corners, and then we will come back. So click here, then you press the control key, and then start selecting all these corners, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. In this way we will select all the corners. So let me just pause the video again, and I will come back quickly. Okay, so we just selected all these sides. You can see in the revolving view, all sides and corners, everything is selected, and we are using the corner command. Okay, so now I need to add 10 millimeter here, like, oops, 10 millimeter. Okay, we need to add only 10 millimeter here. Then I will click enter, and then I will select OK. Okay, so all over sides of the table are now round. Okay, now we need to use the extrude command. I will use the top plane, and this is normal to the view. Now I need to make a round here, circle, center circle, like this. Okay, let me do it again. Center, like this, and then I will press escape. So here I need the diameter of the circle of 40 millimeter, 40, and then I will click OK. Now you can see this is outward, but I need to go inward, so I will click here to flip the direction, and here I will add 15 millimeter. Enter, and I will remove the material like this. So I will click OK here. So now you can see the material is removed for this circle, for this hole. Okay, once you complete this circle, now we need to round it again, round, and I have to select this side, and here I have to put 5 millimeters, and then I will click OK. So now it is rounded. Okay, now once this is all done, then you need to shell it. So we will go to the shell command, and then here we will put 2 millimeters, enter, and I need to shell two sides. One is this one, I need to select here, and the other one is the downward. So this phase I will select like this. So now you can see it is hollow, and the material is removed, and it is now a shell. So I will click here. Okay, the upper one is removed. So I will hold the control key, and I will select this side as well. Now both sides are done. So I will click OK here. So in this way, our shell command is completed. Okay, so now we again have to go to the extrude command for further processing. So I will go to extrude and then I will select any of this plane. So this is now normal to the view. Okay, now I need to use the offset command, this one here, and then I have to use the top line. There is another line, this one. Please do not confuse yourself with this because this is actually the thickness of this stool, and in our case we need to select the upper line here. So now it is showing the offset from the top, which is actually required for me. So I will click here, click, and then I will add 55 and then I will enter. In this way the offset command is done from the top. Now I will click OK. Okay, this is not done, so I will redo it. So offset, so I will select this one, and okay, so offset I will add 55 millimeters, and this one. So now I will select the other side, this one. So I need to zoom it here a bit like this. So from this side I will offset again at 45 millimeters. Then again I need to open the dialog box, keep the dialog box open, and I will click here. Okay, so this one also we need to keep as 45. This is actually 45, so this is okay for me. Okay, okay, so once you are done with all these lines, now I need to add a simple line here in order to connect these two lines, just to make it a closed loop here, like this, from here to this point. So I will escape here, again escape. Okay, so now I need another offset like this. So I will click this line, and in the top, from down to top, I need 120 millimeters offset, and then I need another offset from this line, and that will be this one will be at 40 millimeter. I can also drag here manually if I want to, so otherwise I can just put the value here 40. So that's all. I have to click OK. Okay, so this is the pattern which I wanted to use by using which I wanted to make by using the extrude command. Now the next step is trimming the additional things which I don't need. So here is our trim command. uh, okay, so this is my trim command, and I will delete the additional part which is not required. So I will delete that here, these two I don't need them, and from here I don't need this part, this whole part I don't need, this one, and this one. Okay, looks like all is done now, and all the sides which we want to trim are done. So now what I need to do is fillet. I need to use the fillet command, and I will select this and this, this and this. So radius is not an issue. We will add the required radius later, but first we need to add the fillet command. Here, here, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so fillet is done. So now we will select the radius. So I will press escape, and here I will add 15 millimeters. This one also 15. This one also 15, and this one also 15. Okay, so now I need to go to this radius. This one I don't need 15, I need this one as 45, and this one also as 45. So now all sides are fillet, which I want to. Okay, so I will click OK now, and you can see this is extruded. The geometry, the profile which we just created is now extruded. Now what I need to do, actually I need to remove the internal part, the internal geometry which I prepared. So I will use the symmetric option here. Now you can see from the center it's extending from both sides. So I will equally extend it. I can extend up to any direction because ultimately I have to remove the material. So I will extend it like this, and then I will remove the material, and then I will press OK. Okay, now you can see the profile which I wanted to make is actually completed, and the material is removed from inside. So now uh, I have to select this again, extrude, and then I have to go to the pattern command. Pattern. From here I will choose the axis, and then I have to go for the axis. Okay, so the axis is done, and then I have to put the angle here, which is 90, and the number of members 2. This one I have to reduce to 2. Press enter, and then I will click OK. Okay, so now you can see all sides the same pattern is removed which I have created earlier, and it is removed now from all 4 sides. Okay, so this is our final stool which we wanted to prepare. Here you can see this tool is ready now, and it's all done. So I will just turn off the plans from here, and we will go into the appearance just to see if we are having anything better than this color, and I will click here, and I will click OK. So you can see this is also very nice color. Let's see just one more here, and OK. So the red one looks also good, and I think this is fine. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.